Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Kerala, the first state in India to implement a palliative care policy, has launched the Kerala Care Project today, aiming to elevate palliative care services to the next level. The official inauguration took place at Rajgiri Public School in Kalamasserai. To facilitate live viewing of the event, local self-government institutions invited and arranged facilities for non-governmental organizations working in this sector. Officials and staff from the Alpha Paravur Center participated in the event. Among those present were Patron Satyan Master, Secretary O.M. Joby, A.K. Ranjan, Central Council Member Abdul Khader T.H., C.O. Thilakan, Radhakrishnan M.K., and Ramesh M.G. In the program organized by Kollam Corporation, representatives from the Alpha Kollam Center, including Shibu Rawuthar, Siddharthan, Sudhir, Nurse in Charge Jisha, and Amin, took part. At the event held in Thrissur Corporation's Conference Hall, Assistant PRO Rafi Paul and Senior Community Development Officer Fabin Baby participated. The Alpha Chavakat Center conducted an award ceremony for the winners of its patient care sponsorship campaign. The event was presided over by Center President N.K. Bashir. Vijitha Santosh, President of the Orumnayur Grama Panchayat, inaugurated the event by presenting the first prize to Rashid Pulakkal. Committee officials who distributed the prizes included Shamsuddin Walliakat, P.K. Muhammad Iqbal, A.C. Babu, Fiaz Alankar, V.K. Sainul Abhidin, A.V. Haris, A.V. Mushtaq Ahmad, Ashraf Kuyippana, A.V. Niaz, P.K. Shaimun, Niaz Ahmad, Shajitha Bashir, C. Muhammad Unni, Hasina Kuyippana, Shamshad, Fatima Ashraf, Noor Jahan, R.V. Salim, Shanmughan, Ghafoor, Fahim, Shaij Haris, Ashraf Kayuthakkal, K.V. Muhammad, Sabina Latif, and Anwar Sadat. Secretary P.C. Muhammad Koya delivered the welcome address, while Treasurer Talhat Paduvingal expressed gratitude with the vote of thanks. The annual General Body meeting of Alpha Mathilakam Center will be held on Monday at 10 a.m. at the Noble Palace Auditorium, Kalamuri, Kaipa Mangalam. The meeting will be inaugurated by Shobhna Ravi, President of Kaipa Mangalam Panchayat. Vinita Mohandas, President of Peringanam Panchayat, will distribute the prizes to the winners of the patient care sponsorship campaign. President Suresh Kochuvitil will preside over the meeting. Secretary Mujihar Rahman and Treasurer Siddiq Mangalya will present their respective reports. Notable attendees include Alpha Community Director Suresh Sridharan and Gunning Council Member Indira Shivraman. Other key figures leading the event include Bashir Pudia Weetal, Nurse in Charge Shija, and physiotherapist Jereen. The center, which operates from Kalamuri in Kaipa Mangalam, has received its own land and building as a donation from expatriate Shamsuddin Pudia Weetal and his brother Moithin Kutti. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.